Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to send crypto to an external wallet through Revolut. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. And in case you haven't made a Revolut account yet, all you have to do is scroll down till you see the first link in the description and sign up through the referral bonus to get yourself a quick little bonus once you sign up. Now from here all you have to do is open your Revolut account, go to your crypto section on the bottom right, and then from here you're going to click on send. Once you click on send, it will show you all the available cryptocurrencies as you can see from here. So for example, if we select something like Bitcoin, then all you have to do right here is to select the address that you want to send the cryptocurrency to. And from here, you're going to decide however much amount you would like after you have entered your wallet address. So for example, 50. And then simply click on review transfer, and then you have got it, and it's going to send it directly to your other wallet. That's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.